Imports describe externally sourced assets. This can include anything from textures to audio to meshes to animation. Most projects developed in Unity use imported assets in one facet or another. So being familiar with how Unity treats these assets is integral to working with the Unity platform. Unity uses a type-sensitive importer to bring in externally sourced assets. To import most assets, simply place the file in the Assets folder, either in the directory or directly into the Project tab. The latter method will create copies of the files in the Assets folder of your project. You may need to refresh your Assets view in Unity after modifying an asset. You may need to refresh your Assets view in Unity by using Ctrl-R or selecting Refresh from the Assets menu dropdown. Once an asset is accessible in Unity, you can select the asset in the Project tab to see the import settings in the inspector. Note that different asset types have different options in the Inspector tab. Images, for example, have a rollout to determine the texture type, options for grayscale, wrap and filter modes, and size and compression restrictions among other options. In the top right-hand corner of the inspector is an Open button, which will open the selected asset file in the default program for that file extension. Note that Unity never alters an original file, so if you wanted to alter this image, you could come up to the Open button, and that would open either Paint or Photoshop or whatever image editing software is set up for the PNG file type by default on your system. Groups of assets export from Unity through a package. This provides a means of transporting groups of assets between projects. Selecting a group of assets in the Project tab and using the Export package in either the right-click context menu or the Assets drop-down menu will create a package file of the selection and optionally any asset dependencies. Importing a package is accomplished by using the context menu in the Project tab and selecting Import Package, custom package, or by dragging the file into the Project tab, which will open the Import Package dialog, allowing a selection of individual components if desired. Here is an abridged list of asset types according to the Unity manual. You can find more information on supported extensions by searching the Unity manual for a specific asset type.